Like the fire, I couldn't take it, so I got really nervous. And my mother was there, God rest her soul, and my dad was there, and they said to me, what else are you doing in your life? I was like, excuse me? They're like, you don't have a man, you don't have any kids. You might as well. I said, excuse, they're like, you're 900 years old, Kym. I swear.
That's old.
I literally was like,
It's old.
okay.
That's biblical old. Yeah.
You're like a vampire.
Oh, yeah, it was. She was like, you got one egg left, and that one is coughing. So,
Oh, that's so
she was like,
funny.
change your life, do something. It
So
was-
you at no point were thinking of having a kid, thinking of adopting,
it
and
was
that's all that
not,
happened. Wow.
You know, just like, I'm going to work,
Yeah.
and I'm going to fool around with a bunch of men. If I get pregnant, yay.
Yeah.
And you were
Imagine.
smart to monetize it.
Yeah, yes.
So what your mom really said was, you know, I mean, what are you doing? This is an opportunity for a show.
Okay, that's funny. In hindsight, you're absolutely.
You want ratings, or you want to let that barren womb just
Aaron Wool just
keep
go to
going.
waste.
Exactly.